In today's video, I will show you how to increase or decrease audio volume in Premiere Pro. Drag and drop the audio file in Timeline. Now, right-click on your mouse. Down below you will find an audio gain option. Select the Adjust Gain option. Now increase the number to increase the volume. As you can see, the audio level has increased. And now, to decrease, press -sign, as shown in the video. Always look at the audio meter and make sure it doesn't go above the -12. If you find this process long and boring, don't worry, there is a shortcut key as well. You can just press G on your keyboard and the audio gain option will be shown. For more beginners video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.